Hello students, today we'll study about chemical properties of metal. Metals usually exhibit chemical reactions except for a few, and these few non-reactive metals are called noble metals. And the metals that exhibit chemical reaction, their reactivity depends upon either its nature and reaction conditions. In this chapter, we'll study about some typical chemical reactions of metals with oxygen, water, acids, bases, and the important one, metal displacement reaction. So first is when metal reacts with oxygen. When metal reacts with oxygen, it produces metallic oxide. Means almost all the metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxide. And different metals react with oxygen under different conditions. Like when iron react with oxygen, it forms ferric oxide, and this reaction goes under strong heating. While sodium, when reacts with oxygen, it produces sodium oxide, and this reaction goes under room temperature. So under different condition, all the metals react with oxygen and produce metallic oxides. So let us see some example. Metal when reacts with oxygen under certain conditions, it forms metallic oxide. We can see some example of it. When sodium reacts with oxygen at room temperature, it produces sodium oxide. When magnesium reacts with oxygen under heat, it produces magnesium oxide. Zinc, after reaction with oxygen under strong heat, it produces zinc oxide. Iron produce ferric oxide. Copper produce copper oxide. We can see example of iron oxide and copper oxide in daily life also, like rustling of iron. Here iron converts into oxide of iron. Greenish coat on copper when exposed to moist air are also the result of reaction with oxygen. So the greenish coat on copper and brown powdery coat on iron, both are the example of metal reacts with oxygen that we can easily observe in our daily life around us. Next is reaction of metals with water. When metal reacts with water, it produces metal oxide or metal hydroxide and oxygen. And all the reactions of metals undergoes with different conditions of reaction. Here we can take example of sodium, magnesium, zinc, iron, copper. So let us see. When sodium reacts with water, cold water, it produces sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. When magnesium reacts with water, boiling water, it produces magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. When zinc reacts with water, there is no reaction under normal conditions. And for copper also, when copper come in contact with water, there is no reaction even at high temperature. When iron reacts with water, it produces ferric oxide and hydrogen, Fe3O4 plus H2 hydrogen. the next is reaction with acid. When metal reacts with acid, dilute HCl, it produces salt plus hydrogen gas. So almost all the metals reacts with hydrochloric acid and produce salt, their salt, metallic salt and hydrogen gas. We can take the example of sodium. When sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. In the same manner, when magnesium reacts with dilute here dilute means making a weaker solution by adding more water. By adding water, making weaker solution is dilution. So when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, it produces magnesium chloride. In the same manner, when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron and zinc, it produces zinc chloride and iron chloride with hydrogen. But when dilute hydrochloric acid come in contact with copper, there is no reaction. Even if we'll heat it at high temperature, then also there is no reaction shown by copper. So now the next is reaction of metals with bases. When metals reacts with bases, strong bases, it produces soluble salt and hydrogen gas. Reaction with bases. When certain metals come in contact with, react with strong bases, it produces soluble salt and hydrogen gas. We can take the example of zinc. Zinc, when it reacts with strong base, sodium hydroxide, on heating, it produces sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2 and hydrogen gas. In the same manner, when aluminium reacts with sodium hydroxide, under heating, it produces sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. Next is metal displacement reaction. A reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal and forms its salt solution is known as metal displacement reaction. It can be possible in two forms. First is single displacement reaction and second one is double displacement reaction. Now see the basic reaction of single displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So during single displacement, A plus BC implies AC plus BD, means here after the reaction it produces AC. And during double displacement reaction, displacement of both the reactants, means in AB and in CD, in both the metals, displacement goes on and it produces AC plus BD, means both reacts and produce two metals. Both the reactant metals reacts and produce two salt solutions. But during single displacement reaction, only one salt solution is produced. In this chapter, we will study only about single displacement reaction. We can take the example of magnesium. When it reacts with copper sulfate, it produces magnesium sulfate and copper. Let us see the reaction. Magnesium plus copper sulfate, when it reacts, it produces magnesium sulfate and copper. Thank you, students.